Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's day is about this lace frontal wig by Luvme hair. The hair is actually 8 inches and it came in this gorgeous packaging. The packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with baby hairbrush, it comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair, and it also comes with an hair ring which I'm wearing in this video. So yep, this is what the packaging looks like. So yeah, I am going to show you guys how I install this air. Very simple, very straightforward. The construction of the cap is amazing, very neat, very sleek and professional, and it also comes with an elastic band as well. As you can tell, the construction of the cap is glueless. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also has an adjustable strap as well. The hair also comes with side parts straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about customizing your wig. And also the hair has been pre-plucked straight out of the box. So I'm going to show you a glueless way to install the hair. This method is very easy, very simple, and very straightforward as well. All I'm doing is just applying the spray on the airline of the hair, and that is it. Apply my elastic band, I was good to go, and I cut off the excess lace, and that was it. Very simple, very straightforward, and hassle free. Anyone can actually install this hair without needing to go to professionals to install the hair at all. So as you guys can tell, it's self-explanatory, and yeah, very simple. So I cut off the excess lace of the wig, and I did the same thing on the other side as well. And for the front, I cut off the excess lace as well, and I was good to go. I used the elastic band to tie down the hair because for me, I don't like blow dryers, probably because the noise and all of those stuff. So what I tend to do is just apply elastic band and wait for like 10 minutes for the hair to settle, and then voila, look at that, melted. So yeah, very easy, as you guys can see. So I cut off the excess lace from the wig, and I applied the CT spray on the hair and use the hot comb to just melt the hair further down, just to give that back power look at the part. And I also use the Fenty Beauty powder to accentuate on my parts, to make the parts more visible, if that makes sense. You don't have to do that, by the way, but I just like doing that because I am used to it. But depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, you can actually rock this hair straight out of the box without any spray, any glue, or any gel at all. Just cut off your lace and you will be good to go. I was already feeling myself just by cutting the lace, and no stress. This hair is actually stress-free, hassle-free kind of wig, and I am in for it. It's summer friendly, it's winter friendly, it's all season friendly, as it is a bob wig. I love how this cut the bob of this hair. Very, very neat and very, very stylish. I am loving it. So yeah, I'm still wearing the hair, by the way. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever, and as you guys already know, that this hair is 100% human hair. Voila, look at that, straight out of the box, just cutting the lace, and here we are. I love the fact that this hair is actually, how do I put it, it's versatile. Yeah, I just used my hand to push the hair up, and whoa, look at that. Nothing at all. Just used my hand to push the hair up, and I got that, and I love it as well. I decided to show you guys that you can actually straighten this hair. You don't have to do it. As you saw earlier, and as I showed you, you don't have to straighten the hair because it's silky straight out of the box. And guys, look at the luster of this hair. Like, seriously, the quality is just amazing. You already know when it comes to Luvme hair, they're always on top when it comes to the quality of their hair. Look at that. Look at how silky and how stunning the quality of the hair is. I am loving it, as I'm still wearing it right now. So yeah, another thing I love about this hair that I was going to tell you guys is the fact that It's human hair, and if you're tired of wearing the hair black, you can actually bleach it, dye it, and change the color to suit you, or you can actually do the ombre effect if you like. So the quality of the hair is amazing. You can do anything you like to the hair, just like your own natural hair. You can also use it as a protective style. If you're the type that you like to wear wig, but you want something very simple, very cheeky and classy, so I would definitely recommend that you guys check out this hair. I love, 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 love this hair, like really. I am loving it. And also bear in mind that you can actually tongue this hair as well. Look at that. Look at the back of the hair, guys. It's not just the front that is stunning. Look at the back. Super duper perfect in my opinion. I love it. Everything, it just seems, amazing. Like, I really can't get enough of it. Look at that. I was totally feeling myself. And that's the side of the hair. That's what it looks like. You can tell the luster of the hair from the camera already. Look at how full and bouncy the hair is. Look at that. I love, love the volume of the hair, both front and back. It's very, very full and very, very soft to touch. Look at that. I was feeling myself. Look at that. Amazing. I love, love, love that. So I decided to show you how gorgeous the hair is. Look at that. The luster straight out of the box is just amazing. I love it. I love, love, love the hair. So yep, that's it for today's look. Let me know what you guys think, but for me, I am loving this hair. I think I would definitely be wearing this hair throughout this summer, because why not? Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Luvme hair lace frontal wig right here. Look at that, guys. Look at the luxure to the hair. I am loving this. I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight out of the box was the quality of the hair. Like, straight out of the box, the hair is popping. Like, I love, love, love the bob cuts, the style of the hair, how perfect the hair looks on me. And I'm definitely sure this hair would fit virtually anybody. Anybody can wear this hair and look stunning. The hair is actually new and one of their new summer collection styles. If you're looking for something to wear this summer, you are in for a treat, because they have loads of amazing hair options for summer, and this is actually one of them, and I am loving it. Look at that, guys. There's no need for you to stress yourself in this sweaty weather. All you have to do is just slap the wig on and you are good to go. I really, really love this hair, and I love the simplicity of the style. I love the fact that the hair is also very, very versatile. You can actually style it anyhow you like. But this hair actually came, side part straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about, plucking your pads or anything like that. And the hair has also been pre-plucked straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about customization at all. All you have to do is cut your lace and you will be good to go. The hair has been styled for you straight out of the box. As you can tell, the bob is well cut and everything is looking perfect. The quality of the hair for me, hands down, is amazing. Like, you guys already know Luvme hair. They always pay attention to details when it comes to the quality of their hair, and this hair is just perfection for me. The hair is cut to perfection. The bob is absolutely stunning, and everything was just giving what it's supposed to give. Look at that. I can tell how excited I am wearing this hair, because I am feeling myself. Look at how soft the hair is. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever, and I love, love how versatile this hair is. As you guys can tell, I showed you guys how you can actually style this hair in this video, and bear in mind that you can actually curl this hair as well. I'm gonna be rocking this hair throughout this summer. Like, I have no other hair to wear this summer. I will be wearing this hair all through this summer because it's so simple, it's easy to install. I didn't use any glue or gel, and the construction of the cap is just amazing. You have an elastic band and elastic strap to secure your hair, so you have nothing to worry about when it comes to securing your hair. But as you guys can tell, I didn't use any glue or gel to install this hair. I was already secure with the elastic band, and all I did to lay the hair down at the front was just to spray the olive oil sheen on the hair, and I was good to go. How easy is that? How amazing is that? Love, love the luster of this hair. Very, very soft and very, very silky tricky to touch. You can see how bouncy the hair is. You can already tell the quality is just top notch. Look at that. If you guys are new to my channel and you don't know Luvme Hair, Luvme Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have all types of hair texture, color and length on their website. And yeah, if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. And the most amazing thing is the fact that they normally have sales on their website every now and then. And another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping is always very quick. It took exactly 5 days to get here in the UK, which is amazing in my opinion, considering the fact that weekend was included as well. I am loving this. Like, look at that. I am feeling myself. Summer is done and dusted for me, guys. You guys know it's summer, so you want to look cheeky, you want to look vibrant, you want to look sexy, but you know, simple at the same time. I would definitely recommend this hair. This hair is definitely for you. Work friendly, it's party friendly, it's date friendly, it's date night friendly, it's everything friendly. Like, I love this hair. I definitely recommend that you guys check out this hair on their website. This hair is just giving everything it's supposed to give, and I am feeling myself. You guys can tell that I'm really excited. When it comes to Luvme Hair lace wig, I'm always super excited because I know they always deliver when it comes to quality. And yep, I am loving this. And you guys already know I'm wearing the earring that came from the packaging of the hair as well. How amazing is that? I really recommend this hair. Absolutely, I would definitely recommend this hair. In terms of quality, it's definitely AA+ for me, and in terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA+ for me. In terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely AA+ for me, and in terms of the styles and how well the hair is cut and styled, it's definitely AA+ for me. And in terms of how versatile the hair is, it's definitely AA+ for me. In terms of how easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely AA+ for me. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out Luvme Hair, and the details of this hair is in the description box below. Do not walk, run down there, run and head over to their websites and check out this lovely, gorgeous, amazing hair. And yep, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.